we're just about finished with the animation. Let's work on the antennas. After we have completed the antennas, we will work on the feet and begin finalizing the animation. Normally I don't wait till the end to animate feet, but in this circumstance it worked out pretty well, and the feet will not be challenging at all. We'll have that looking good in no time. So the ants' antennas, they're going to move sporadically. So we'll want to definitely include this on our own ant. Let's select the controls and we can just clean up our slate here, deleting our keys, and just work our way through putting keys every 10 frames or so, and then we can break that up as well so that we don't get a constant rhythm. So on frame 20 we can have the antennas point, and where they're going to point at is that box. That's what the ant has stumbled upon. So he's going to use those antennas to kind of read what he's found. Can add some offsets to the pole vectors just to get some keys there and fix up a few of the poses of the antennas. And we'll just kind of, again, have them move at extremes. Maybe cross them here. Take this right one and bring it a little bit more across. Spread them out again at frame 60. Maybe even have that right one point directly at the crate. And straighten out. Then we can switch this. We can have the left one point at the crate. The right one we can raise up. Maybe cross. Now he's about ready to charge. And during the charge, we can have the antennas kind of raise up. I'll go ahead and fix this left one so it's pointed a little bit more at the box. The right one I think is fine. When it gets to the box, we're going to want to really have them move rapidly for intensity as he's charging the crate. So now he's starting to move in. We can have these antennas start to move back. $120, we could have them move back, and then we can break this up a little bit, going to, let's say, 115, having that right one already moved back and out. Then at 120, we could have it just point down. Now they're really going to start moving rapidly, so 125 will set the antennas at extremes. Just have them moving to match the intensity of the attack. So maybe cross them here on 130. Go just 3 more frames after that and have it start to speed up. Three more frames after that, we can add another extreme. And maybe even break it up a little bit more, going 2 frames. So we'll go to 138. Cross them here. $140. Cross them again. About 143, we can go there and set another extreme. And there are many ways we can reach the same outcome. We're just looking at just one of the ways that would be a little bit more controllable, and that we're just using keyframe animation, no expressions or anything like that. But you may want to even consider looking at some alternative ways, especially if you would need to save time on this process. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we're currently getting. We'll hit play. Alright, great. Now as he starts to back up, we can have the antennas move up. Take the pole vector and move that up as well. And we can have them then move down and out. So we get. Okay, then to finish this, let's have them move up on about 176. And we'll see how this comes together. Or maybe we can take this control for the left and offset a few of the keys, going to frame 155 all the way to 176 and just moving those down a couple of frames. So it's a little bit different from the right timing. Okay, great. So with this finished, we can go ahead and hide our curves again, or for that matter, just go to our controls and hide those instead. Then we can hit play to see if like what we're getting. Great. We can go to a different view. Great. Alright, there are the antennas. So it's now time to start finalizing this. In the next lesson, we're going to go ahead and work on finishing up the claws.